What's up, YouTube? Another day, another vlog. We are now in Surfers Paradise. This is one of my favorite spots in all of Australia to come to. Been here now 5 or 6 times over the last few years. 3 times in the last 3 years. So this will be my 5th time here, and I absolutely love it. It's going to be beautiful sunny weather, because as you saw when we left Vancouver, it was shit, and now it's this. However, I am fucking starving. I need to go get some food, but just so you know, it's called the Whale Watchers, so you can see the whales out there. It's a little bit hazy on the horizon. It's crazy summer fires, not even summer, but just crazy fires in the forest fires. Anyway, still get some food. Let's go see the sights of beautiful, beautiful city, rest of Brisbane through the entire vlog. Let's go do it. Headed to get some coffee. Get me some Aussie coffee, and then breakfast when JVH gets here, because today we're going to be working on a lot of the digital expert stuff. At some point, go down to Brisbane, or go up to Brisbane, I guess you should say. Show Matt Rowe at the city, maybe write some limes, maybe get some limes in the vlog, because we like to write limes around cities. So let's go get some coffee. Getting my iced lattes in me because I only like to drink them when it's nice and hot. And I'm going to go back to winter and wet and cold, so enjoying beautiful Aussie coffee of cold iced lattes and beautiful Surfers Paradise right up. First time staying on the Gold Coast, so it's pretty cool. You'll see some interesting stuff, I think, over the next little bit. But yeah, enjoying some coffee. Next morning, went for JVH, and we're gonna do some planning. So we'll do like a behind the scenes. Actually, we'll do some brekkie, and then we'll do the planning.
The car, you get out and you get the coffee, and I'll meet you up there.
My wife's family that I get to meet later on today, one of them, the cousin, owns a doggy daycare. Apparently these dog flinging ball things are like 4 times the price here in Australia than they are in Canada. So, you know, just being a nice guy and bringing them across the country, across the world. Yeah. You learn the hard way from doing it, but it ends up getting done anyway.
I was just queuing a video today, and I'm like, it wasn't bad. It wasn't swearing. It was just double audio track on it. And I'm like, 8 minutes, 15 seconds. Miguel, please fix.
Yeah.
You know, and if you don't watch it, you never catch that stuff.
Exactly.
And it's hard too. You take so much time creating. How long would you say one video takes for you to create?
Yeah, I mean, it could vary from like a few days to I could spend over a month on it.
On one video?
Yeah.
Wow.
Depending on the content, because I mean, most of it is like I got to figure out how to do something in Blender first. So I got to learn it from scratch.
And you want to learn it the perfect way,
exactly.
so you don't get called out by. Like, I'm sure people are just waiting to call
And people are like really more like aware of that now. Like if I say the wrong thing, people aren't just like, oh, you made a mistake. It's more like, oh, you're misleading the community, held to a higher standard than
Is it a lot of time where you feel like you have to pull down a video and just redo it almost because something is wrong from
I
it?
did that once, only once, and it was like I just remade it and re-uploaded it like a month later because there was some crucial part which I actually got wrong. And I was teaching the wrong, it was like theory about how physics and light works, and I got something like wrong, and I was teaching people the wrong thing, and I'm like, fuck. So I had to redo it. Yeah. But yeah.
A month into one video, that's a lot of effort. It's like you're either recording or you're either running the company.
Yeah, like we've got one at the moment, we're trying to do a render engine comparison video, which no one's ever done before.
Sweet, man.
Yeah, it's good meeting you guys.
Next time, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, this was supposed to end and be an hour and a half, and it's like exactly an hour and a half.
Yeah, so pretty much an hour.
Should be good for it.
They're also an hour later.
That's some really good content, though, just talking to Andrew about that kind of stuff, because he's legit. Like, he's
So what we're about to do is go to lunch with one of our longest standing clients. Actually, he's a big YouTuber, Blender guru, runs a company called Polygon. The last couple of times we tried to connect with him, we were in LA when he was in LA, it didn't work out. When I was in Brisbane last year, it didn't work out. Finally, now that we got the whole team together, we're able to go meet with them. So we're gonna go have lunch, get some behind the scenes. Hopefully I don't trip over this. There, we're gonna finish lunch there and then jump in the car and then drive an hour and a half south toward past the Gold Coast to see another client who are big in the online marketing space called Pajama Bosses. So let's go to lunch, let's jump back in the car. You'll see the meeting with Andrew, and then we gotta drive literally back up here after that meeting. So there's a lot of driving today. Let's go. want my house to come from a pathway onto a white sanded beach that I could just hang out and work from. This is so sick. Work hard, people.
So like the original town is over there,
It's the old
right?
town,
Yeah.
And this is more the new part with the resort and stuff.
Yeah, that's what we're thinking. That's what we're saying. I was saying to them, like, as we crossed over, we're like, this is the no Peasantville.
Because we booked this trip so last minute.
Who makes them?
My mom.
Oh, your mom makes it?
Yeah. Or well, yeah.
Your mom does a lot of things. Does she secretly work for you?
No, not at all.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Part of the reason too is like because we want to grow the Australian division pretty heavily because we've got a pretty strong foothold
Of
here.
course, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's double down and it's like, well, may as well add to the team. And now Matt's gonna have me looking for penthouses after we move here. So
Yeah.
And Brisbane is beautiful too. Like, you can't go wrong.
Yeah.
But it depends what lifestyle you like.
I want this. That's what I want.
This is nicer.
Take them
Yeah.
to see the
This
resort.
this is
Yeah.
nicer than.
I'll send you. I'll look it up on domain.com, I think it is. They advertise them.
Yeah.
I think one of them is $800 a week. It's like,
Matt's like,
Yeah, that's fine.
you could get houses for a little more, but
yeah.
sometimes when you're...
Yeah.
I want the beach.
Yeah.
I'm over the city.
And then if you want the country, just come to my house.
Oh, you're close.
And then we go drifting.
From here, it's like
Probably
probably
an hour.
yeah, about an hour, 55 minutes. Yeah, from here. And I'm taking them tomorrow. I have like a paddock car, like an old Commodore, to like drive around the paddocks and stuff like that. So I'll take them driving around the paddocks, and they can go rallying and just be full Australian bogans and the Australian experience. Yeah, I've got to induct them properly. Yeah.
Oh, I'm these two. I was gonna tell Matt to get one of those ones with the hanging, the fly swat things.
tassels on it.
Yeah, you know the cork, the yeah. We want to get Matt a cowboy hat with the corks around it,
That's good.
so we can go home and be like, yeah, right, guys, how you going? Thank you very much for having us.
Oh, thank you
Absolutely.
so
Thank
much
you
for driving all the way.
Without
It's
a doubt.
pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you for the
Hopefully,
gift.
without a
everything.
doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, next time we'll come, baby. We're running around.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yes.
No. That's like next month you're coming back to secure the
wife
In
will
property.
between, he's gonna have his own.
Oh yeah.
Next month I'm in Hawaii, but yeah, I got it.
The last trip.
Last trip before the baby, wife's birthday.
Oh, we get someone else to do
I'll
it.
put it together. Yeah.
Can I let you on here because
Yeah.
So Boy, Matt, when we moving here? Tomorrow.
Imagine having the corner.
It's four grand a month. Do you know that it would rent out for $500 a night, and you pay 4 grand a month and you get $500 a
Easily
night?
$500.
Yeah,
a night.
5, 6, even $1 grand a night on like a busy night.
On a busy weekend or something. Like
Yeah, would be $1 grand a night for a penthouse.
Only in Australia.
Who's gonna release? Who's gonna release a dump of rabbits? What the fuck?
People that don't want to keep rabbits as pets anymore.
Yeah, but who would even dump it at the beach? They're like,
No, rabbits thrive in environments kind of like this, right? Closed off.
yeah, but that's fucking weird. Let's go back up and around this apartment.
Hey, we're unveiling the Grow
Headquarters?
Rev new office headquarters. It's this actual entire building. We have other people living here currently, but we're gonna be getting rid of them. About 5 floors of media buyers, pumping out about $1 trillion of ad spend a month. So kind of a small operation. Beach is down there just for, you know, cooling off from all the hard thinking and epic media buying.
I like it a lot because why not? $1 trillion in ad spend a month. I think we've just broken some new records, Matt. Something you didn't tell me about?
Yeah, definitely. We figured we'd just start, you know, spending some entire country's GDP just to get proper saturation throughout the world.
And the
We're gonna
penthouse
pirate it
is
anyways.
cash flow positive.
We'll just get access through Jeff to the recordings and we're good.
It only took me 5 years to get him out here.
Yeah. And now he's
Business
like,
class.
I don't want to leave. He's like laying in the airport, kicking and screaming.
So, if you just saw the last epicness of beachfront property we were at, was one of our epic clients, Pajama Bosses, that we just finished up meeting with them. We added an extra 300% to their business this year. For them to tell us that was actually pretty fucking epic. And the fact that they really truly appreciated us flying across the bloody Pacific Ocean and coming out here to hang out with them even for an hour or two you know, the little things that most people don't pay attention to. They're just looking to make a quick buck over the computer versus actually build a personal relationship. And you can see it when clients genuinely like look at that from from their perspective. It's pretty epic to see. But we just finished up with them, planned out a bit of 2020 on what some of the things that we're gonna help them do, scale next year, especially now they're just a little baby. You know, they're pretty excited. They've been away from working for the last little bit, so it's good timing. But yeah, that house though makes you really want to think like the harder you work, the better you can just choose to live the life you want. Because like you get out of their house and you go down a path and you're on the whitest sanded beach I've probably ever seen in my life. And it's like a private beach where no one else is bothering you, so how can you complain with that? And I'm excited for see what we can do for them, and then come back here. Maybe next year even get up some spot down here for a couple of months, because that's something us people, ridiculous human children, will do. But now on our way to go see some family, and then head back to the Airbnb later on tonight and see Lewis Mocker. For those of you that haven't seen the last time I was with Lewis Mocker in Australia, click the link up here and you can see the debauchery that we got ourselves into, and I can almost guarantee you tomorrow's going to be just as debaucherous. So Lewis, hope you're ready, because this time it's not just me, it's the Grow Rev team coming for you.